Yo, this your boy Luke unboxing the Xbox Series X. Alright. First we get the console. It's heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Heavy. It's kinda hard to do it with. Okay. Get the console. Okay. Get the controller. Get the wires. Let me unwrap this. See how this look. Yeah, baby. Oh man, I love this. This looks so good. It's my baby. Get the controller right here. I actually got two controllers because eBay game, they said they wasn't gonna sell me the console without a bottle, but had two controllers. Yep. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything, buddies. If y'all didn't get your Xbox Series X, I advise you get it as soon as possible. Remember, power your dream.